You already created a data table. You already created a data table. For example, after sales, you should not be there should not be a date of the sale. Something else should be a written like discount value. I would like to write after the sales. So one more column need to be inserted now. Okay, how to do it? How to do it? First, we have to select the column where I need to for after that I need to insert a column, right? That particular column we will select. Okay, here we have been selected a column. Then go to insert and say column right. Insert column right, in the sense right to that the one column will be inserted. Okay, one column will be inserted. Okay, for example, if you say column left, the left to that one column will be inserted. Okay, that is about inserting a column new column. Okay, to delete that column, what we have to do, select that column, right click, delete column. If additional column has been inserted, then to delete that column, right click, on that column, delete column. To insert, we have to select the column where you like to insert, select the column, go to insert, either right hand side or left hand side you can insert a column. The similarly you can insert a row. For example, uh, above this header I would like to insert one more row. What we can do, we can select the row, we can select that particular row, then go to insert row, above or below. We can insert anywhere. I will say row above. The one more additional row has been inserted. To delete that one, if it extra row is inserted, if you like to delete, insert row below, one more row has been inserted. The extra rows, if it is there, to delete that one, we have to right click on that particular row, which one you would like to delete, and delete row. Right click on a row number which one you would like to delete, right click on that and say delete row. Okay, this way we can insert or delete additional rows and columns for your data in a Google Sheets.